Peace FM 104.3. Who to meet Taki?
Mama.
Yeah.
Any other issue on the table this morning?
And as I would tell issue no one make banking crisis. But we like mini constituency as a nurse we Ghana some. The make my catcher is minimum say benchmark or say koju krum no. Strongly on agenda. Minimum say the new minister no. I can't want some minimum say by all means by the end of the year corner. The farmer contract really part of this young contract. But you see, do kind in the year being free music need any specific source of funding.
Well, initially it was supposed to be under Kokoro.
No, wait. Odi Kaka say almost 30 contract 30 na
in phases.
And a facility be by no moment me meet the conditions and a koi and a back no
and only a government we are.
First one, I'm going to buy it. And but he knows it. He knows the history better than me myself.
What's the harm on the disc buy? Government may meet conditions.
Oh, I quite know in phases.
A lapse, the more
Oreo fund.
Yes.
But the Oreo fund, listen, in phases. Number one,
okay,
0 to 15. 15 to 30
case. It is an eco road and I will find a bar. A duplication of funding or what? Would I fund to honor young come what men come as a man?
I'll be compared to a
now call me banking crisis. So tell this you know. And some baby make a new chat.
MP, Miss Malcolm, and
some baby is it
but of us now because kindly remind Kwesi Pratt that the visa-free policy for Ghanaians by South Africa government is limited to only diplomatic and service passport holders.
For now.
Yeah.
But from November, it will cover everybody.
Everybody, yeah.
And a man for Kenya will be a far bank in somewhere.
Kwesi, I know you take a good laugh. Good morning. Ask Mr. Kwesi Pratt for me whether he will go for Mugabe's funeral or not, since he is the Bushapeni.
So try to get him
Fifi Bansi.
Cousin's own ticket now. Open hotel accommodation at the
Yo, I'm a banking sense. My man for a press conference. I hope and check another press conference. Minority in Parliament to be by. First, banking 7. Banking a new man seek a 7 and a confidence among for banking system, and then the trust. Or more banking system. Say, oh, banks are. A drum pempenswa, a man for quite intimate tria or mocha. Metma Kashanti region. Minimum cranny per Kobe Numanensia are demonstrating from different banking institutions. Some qua or more into Omka. Miami Kazi be our free Dr. Puku Neyre. Nani Benya scholarship or quabruchi, Nisi the bank. Or Pesika extra tickets, Ghana no extra tickets, no. It's even less than 10% of Nisika now. I had to go in, print, and find a baby yes communia. Eddie says, can Kakrano Amano. As we speak, Nisika can in an issue. Banks never no money night, yes, you will no more good dada. Most of them no more good dada. And I says, and they now home will be just yet. Baby, how workers no moon moka. If you have for 10 years, I'm sorry, 10 months, 1 year, moka. They were there in names, but not by operations. Now, if you must say a choir, a buy no fast, what the year Jumana and Chay. A choir, no from Paso, or Montreal. Almost say a quanka woman or faso. More may be 860 million kind of fine. Some of the support to our revival banks is kind of fine. At the end of the day, it got worse. Nasabi, a more quality MIA now say Jabigum. SAS approach a man for peso. They use that approach in 2000 in relation to Cooperative Bank and Bank for Housing and Construction. Bank for Housing and Construction, Cooperative Bank, Omugu. Na Cooperative Bank, Omatina Hosted and Compass Ye. I'm almost na deteriorate ya na beka 40%. And it's am Rosika 100 CDs na near 40. No lose 60 CDs. Bank for Housing and Nom de Kakra, it was 68%. Uzika 100 CDs and that near 68, no lose 32 CDs. About we say I'm not going that tangent. Ebeguno to protect customers' money. The customers ne ben hwemu ya ebetu obi asika ma no. Entu owie na 100 na na down etu 100 ma wo mpewi. Esi se ke be hyekwa. Na ya man for this job. Hwe yem fan say banks here kan nyina 2000 yem fan say nyina 400 pe. Wo mo say any paper 25,000 they lose to Omejuma. You have 400 banks to be very conservative, very, very, very conservative. No, be 1,000 customers. 400,000 400,000. You want 400,000 people to lose their money? As against 25,000 losing their jobs? Now I'm funny say, 400,000, just 10% pay. And they corporate customers. Just 10. Take only 10. And they corporate customers. Who gives you about
40,000, yeah.
40,000. To 40,000. Young say on average, Obia employ 2 workers. On average, Obia employ just 2 workers. 80,000.
80,000.
Now the 25 lose 80,000 lose. And sana what by individual account holders need lose sika. Which one is better? Which one is better? You see, and suddenly be was and Tiasia Yakan. As some people didn't have the commitment when it came to their time to tell Ghanaians the truth. Nyanka's a way of fascinating crow. Who me and ya, where me ever 29 MPP, YSC, ye be me a mana yana crona wunaska biaba the whole rather than 29. Enua kukodro na ebinumu enya. Enua kukodro ene ebinumu enya. You see, contractors about Yomuka. Banks ni na bejinom na. What percentage of contractors indebtedness in relation to the total indebtedness of the bank? Have they looked at that? It's not even up to 10%. You see, I can't free. Nana Akarifi, name the Encrophobia demonstration for our Minister of Roads and Highways. They thought send on Kugu government and must current government. And another Danko Kufuado Dan Kugu. Good the previous government now former President John Dramani Mahama Nedano. Because I'm saying can be fee 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2016, 17 and 18. Nania, say Abano. Previous government, PIM December ending 2014. And I can 15 and 16 krana. Can a ban way bed what you are 15 film. Fre Obiabis and bank. Bank a Bia woman frame, Semichantra. Young Ansana, loan be. Yen declare say yen writing often. Now I fall overdue for not less than 18 months. For not less than 18 months. It is how bad there's non performing as a white time. Is that not Kuvaru? The current president.
In wrapping up of her.
The truth is say they mismanage the economy, they mismanage the banking system. Time 2016 year campaign. The then running mate, the current vice president. Eka se banks ni bebre egu. Na ngotwe bi de baby aduro no kura de o mgina mranche e komatana mam no mse politics And I'm not surprised. They did the same thing about 2000. Our former president before bad power. No matter say economy, no. The economy was already in HIPIC. You bet 2 Nidia of Yamnam dear for HIPIC. Now, on an eye, me oba yin say. Na me free. Me we and honorable kind of buy. No, ba na will not to the dear haba. Haba, and me ba na kind of ba.
ADN who the ba.
Me oba na nyim ansa na miwu wa nyima na fra pin ansa na miwu. And I will bet was what
Baban Penny bet me. I said, or anything.
Ah, some mina Nicru name. And you have you.
What do you
I know, dear, mina me back. Yeah, over 2 Nidia or Seunaba. Oh, I don't know. How can it be your child?
Over. No,
How can it be MVP child? Mona Muguro. Ogu banks no Namunia could run catch a Ghana for say banks no Jimmy. Now, see a contractors to car. I am Montia. The worst of all, and this is for the insult from Casawa Sassam. More canning in a good whole year. More corner. Road fan can crack cross the advantage Ticanoswa. Nam de Cojilo, my collateralize. Emma Sabosome Swan. Sicano over 75% equity bankica. Then you turn round. Moko sonatifi akohunusiono. Namu the speed abana for kase. One hunzu. You see and this is the moon tax banking crisis no was some cry. Natana mu yemenu.
Ofa numsio.
Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.